All right. Hey, we got DIYNate here fixing things that have been broken. This one probably is my fault. I'm sure I ran over a curb in my wife's car. So today we've got a bumper that's hanging down, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to put a couple of zip ties to secure it up to the undercarriage. Additionally, we added a washer onto this little bolt that should keep this thing from slipping off in the future. So we're going to make some quick, simple fixes. I've already started. Sometimes you might need a drill to put a hole into the plastic to make it so that you can thread the zip tie through. And that's what I'm going to do right here as well. So let's get this on camera here. And we're just going to do a simple zip tie. I've got the black ones so they won't stand out too much on the car. And we'll just put it through here and run a simple zip tie. And then we'll tighten it up in just a second after we put the bolt back in, the screw here. So we want to make sure everything's lined up. Looks like we're in pretty good shape there. And we're getting close. And should be good to go very soon here. Unfortunately, I don't have the right size wrench to put this thing on, so I'm going to use some pliers to tighten it in here in a minute. But the zip tie should help this thing keep from going off. Once it's gone off once, there's a lot of times it'll keep going off again in the future. So I'm trying to really secure this thing in good. With that, you tighten the zip ties down. And let's do this other one. I'll have to come back for the screw. And we'll tighten this guy. And pretty much that's how you secure your bumper so it stops dragging on the ground. With that, this is DIYNate signing off on how to fix your bumper from dragging on the ground.